In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Windows 10 using the Media Creation tool. This process is straightforward and will guide you step by step, making it easy and quick to get Windows 10 set up for your needs, either on your computer or for another device. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Software Download and press enter. This should bring up a list of search results. You're looking for the official Microsoft Software Download page, so go ahead and click on that link. Once on the site, you'll see several options for downloading software, but our focus today is on Windows 10. Click on the Windows 10 option, and this will bring you to a page dedicated to Windows 10 downloads and installations. Here you will see an option called Create Windows 10 Installation Media. This is exactly where we want to be. Click on that option and then look for the Download Now button. Clicking on this will begin the download process for the Media Creation tool to your device. Now that the tool is downloaded, you'll need to locate it. Most often, downloads are saved to the Downloads folder on your computer, so check there if it doesn't automatically show up. Once you find the file, simply double-click to open it. If your computer prompts you with a user account control or UAC request, you'll need to accept it to proceed. This is a standard security measure, ensuring that you're aware of changes happening on your machine. After accepting any prompts, take a moment to read through the license terms. It's important to know what you're agreeing to, so once you've done that, go ahead and accept the terms. Next, you'll be asked what you want to do. Choose the option that reads Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. After selecting this, click Next to move forward. Here you get to tailor the installation to your needs by selecting your preferred language, edition, and architecture. Typically, the common architecture is 64-bit, but choose the one that suits your requirements. Once you've made your selections, click Next. At this stage, you'll choose your media type. You can choose either a USB flash drive or an ISO file. If you opt for the USB flash drive, make sure to insert one with at least 8GB of storage. On the other hand, if you go with an ISO file, the tool will download that specific file for you. Finally, click Next once again and just follow the on-screen instructions to wrap up the process. This should download Windows 10 onto your selected media, and you'll be ready to use it for installation. And that's it, you've successfully used the Media Creation tool to download Windows 10. Enjoy the updated software and thanks for watching.